Assalamualaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zani Study Instruments. Here are students who are doing Master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is grammar, English grammar, and I'm gonna tell you about the topic is dictionary skills. Before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. And video अच्छी लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. The viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you don't understand, please tell me in the comment box. If you need another topic, please tell me in the comment box. You will get the same topic in the next video. Now I'm gonna start the topic Zani Study Instruments, Literature in Pakistan. Dictionary skills. Dictionary skills stages in the process of dictionary use. कि किस तरह एक ऐसा डिक्शनरी स्किल्स एक ऐसा स्टेज है कि हम किस तरह डिक्शनरी का इस्तेमाल करें. टीचिंग डिक्शनरी स्किल्स implies having a clear understanding of a different stages a user goes through when consulting a dictionary. It is a fact that not all dictionaries follow the same format or allow the same search options. Now first MCQs, very important MCQs about dictionary skills. First is the word that is being defined is called. एक ऐसा word being defined, called entry word. The meaning of the word is called definition. How to say a word is called? किसी भी लफ्ज़ को कैसे कहना है, इसको प्रोनाउंसिएशन कहते हैं. द फंक्शन ऑफ द वर्ड इन स्पीच इज कॉल्ड पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच. अ वे टू शॉर्टन अ वर्ड आई कॉल्ड एब्रिविएशन. द वर्ड दैट हैज़ अ सिमिलर मीनिंग इज कॉल्ड सिनोनिम. सिमिलर मीनिंग्स सिनोनिम. द वे अ डिक्शनरी इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इज अल्फ़ाबेटिकली. अ वे अ डिक्शनरी इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड alphabetically. Part of a word broken down is called syllable. Other words formed from the main word is called other word forms. The two words at the top of each page to help you know that words are on the page are called guide words. गाइस ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक डिक्शनरी स्किल्स. और टॉपिक अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर माय वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. ज़नी स्टडी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स लिटरेचर इन पाकिस्तान. अल्लाह हाफिज़.